Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore 5 proven ways to make money online. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, earn some extra cash, or even build a full-time income stream, there are plenty of opportunities available online. So, let's dive in. Freelance writing. One of the best ways to make money online is by offering freelance writing services. Companies and individuals are always in need of high-quality content for their websites, blogs, and social media channels. As a freelance writer, you can work on your own schedule and set your own rates. To get started, create a portfolio of your writing samples, and reach out to potential clients through job boards or social media. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money online. Essentially, you promote other people's products or services through your website or social media channels, and earn a commission on any sales that result from your promotion. To get started, find products or services that align with your audience's interests, and sign up for the affiliate programs associated with those products or services. E-commerce store. If you're interested in selling physical products online, starting an e-commerce store may be the way to go. With platforms like Shopify, it's easier than ever to set up an online store and start selling products. To be successful, you'll need to identify a profitable niche, source products at a reasonable cost, and build a strong marketing strategy to drive traffic to your store. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a form of e-commerce where you don't hold inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who hold inventory and ship products directly to customers. This makes it easier and more affordable to start an online store. To get started with dropshipping, identify a profitable niche, find reliable suppliers, and set up your website or online store. Online surveys. Finally, online surveys can be a simple and easy way to make money online. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers, and they're willing to pay for it. There are a number of legitimate online survey sites that you can sign up for, and earn cash or rewards for completing surveys. So, those are 5 proven ways to make money online. Whether you choose to offer freelance writing services, become an affiliate marketer, start an e-commerce store or drop-shipping business, or complete online surveys, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful online business, but with the right strategy and mindset, you can achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.